In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your PS5 is randomly disconnecting from your Wi-Fi network. So the first thing you want to do is press the PlayStation button on your controller, and scroll over and select power and turn off your PS5. Now you want to power cycle your router by unplugging it for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it all back in, boot up your PS5 and see how it works. Now another big reason why your Wi-Fi randomly disconnects is that it's a weak signal. So if you're able to move your PS5 closer to your router, that would be great. And if you can't, some of the other things you could do would include going to settings, and then go to network settings, and go to setup internet connection. Now once you're here, you should be able to see your Wi-Fi network. So with it highlighted, press the options button on your controller, and where it says Wi-Fi frequency bands, make sure this is on 2.4 GHz only. Now your Wi-Fi will be a little bit slower running 2.4 GHz only, but it will be more stable, resulting in less Wi-Fi disconnects. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.